Good morning, Senior Counsel.
Good morning.
My name is Patrick Mongera, or the Villager on TikTok.
Pleasure meeting you.
Thank you, sir. Now, I've seen you with Emeritus, former CJ of the Republic of Kenya. And when I saw you with him, I started having some few thoughts of the possibilities of him being the kind of a leader that we want. But now my problem has been, can we be able to sell Maraga to the Republic of Kenya and for the people of Kenya to be able to vote him?
You said your name is Patrick.
Yes, sir.
Patrick, you see, the problem is not with Maraga.
Yeah.
The problem is with people like you, Patrick. You know why you have that problem?
I don't know, sir.
The reason why you have this problem
Yes.
is you lack certainty as to where you want to go.
Okay.
And part of that problem is informed by lack of knowledge. Knowledge on what? Knowledge on what you need as a good leader.
Okay.
If you've been following my posts on Facebook and Twitter,
Which are, yeah.
I've elaborated the qualities that make David Maraga the most suitable person to be President of the Republic of Kenya. But often I've realized the problem that bedevils the mind of the voter is, sorry to say, it's a problem of foolishness. Want of knowledge of how to make a good choice for leadership. And as an adjunct to that problem, there's the failure of understanding of leadership, often confused with what they say, siasa, bad politics. What is politics? Politics is the science of good governance. You understand?
Science of good governance.
Yeah. So it can never be that a choice is made by the voter on account of what they call siasa politics. If the choice does not translate to good governance, then it's a foolish choice. And what makes people to arrive at foolish choices? People arrive at foolish choices because they fail to differentiate between their needs and wants.
Okay.
So that when they see me asking them to vote for Maraga or to vote for myself, their basic needs, food,
Come first.
employment, and related personal needs cloud their mind insofar as the immediate need is concerned. The immediate need when you see me or Maraga
Yes.
is not food and employment for you. The immediate need is good governance, an informed choice on the ballot.
Okay.
So you need to suppress
The want.
your basic needs, which